Toonie!
Hey kids, let's learn numbers. 1 red car. 1, 2 blue cars. Very good. 1, 2, 3 purple cars. What number comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow buses. Great job! What comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gray cars. We're halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pink cars. What is the next number? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 orange cars. We're almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 brown trucks. Can you help me with the next number? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 black cars. Now, I need your help for the last time. What comes after 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 green cars. Great job, kids! You did it! You count to 10 with me. Amazing!
Toonie!